Mel Stewart, SwimSwam, here with Coleman Hodges in the lab, cooking up some pancakes. What's up, buddy?
We are here in Austin, Texas, practicing pancakes live in the pancake lab. Coleman Hodges pancake flip. Let's see how well I can do this. Oh, okay, it's a little burnt, but that flip, pretty dang good. Practicing pancakes. What's up, everyone? As always, I'm your host, Coleman Hodges. We are here in Austin, Texas. We are at SwimSwam HQ, which has its very own pancake lab, AKA a kitchen. And I just whipped up some pancakes of my own. It's not my best batch of pancakes, I'll be honest with you. I did burn them a little, but I'm not used to cooking in this kitchen, so, you know, give me a break. Personally, I like to put maple syrup and hot sauce on my pancakes. It gives it a nice zing, a little sweet, a little spice. Just try it with one bite. As a pancake aficionado, you gotta try it. A little overcooked, but honestly, still pretty good. I impressed myself. We just went to a practice with the University of Texas men, coached by Bob Bowman. There were about 15 athletes in the pool, and I think around half of them were Olympians. They're coming off of the first inaugural Eddie Reese Texas Showdown. So they were separated into two groups. Notably, Chris Guiliano, Nate German-Prey, and Simone Manuel were in one group that I didn't focus on for the main set as much. Then on the other side of the pool, we had Carson Foster, Hubie Koch, Luke Hobson, Rex Maurer, Coby Carrozza. I mean, these are all NCAA All-Americans, Olympians, and aerobic monsters. So it was just fun to point my camera and watch them go head-to-head in this Monday afternoon aerobic workout. Enjoy.
If you want to use a snorkel, you may.
Today's practice was a relatively low-key aerobic practice after the meet, which was pretty intense. And we did have practice this morning where we did some resistive work, some power kind of training. So I was just looking for them to be in the right heart rate zones, which they were, and to just kind of see where they were. You know, some of them are complaining their legs are tired. We've been kind of working pretty hard, so I think it's my cue that we're going to have to start adjusting some things as we start looking at, you know, SECs and then NCs down the road.
Back into good work after the quad meet, so just getting right back into it. Probably maybe a week, maybe 1 or 2 weeks more of good work before we start to really, you know, land the plane and get ready for SECs and NCAAs. I love colors. Colors is one of my favorite practices of the week. So you know, just flushing it out in warm down after morning practice, making sure you're getting ready, and then on the white, setting up my kick and my stroke, and then pink really starting to get my heart rate up, and then red taking it out hard and seeing if I can hang on is how I attack these sets.
I really enjoy these color practices. They're definitely challenging and some of the hardest work of the week, but I think for guys like me and Rex, these sets really help our 500s, and kind of just going through the phases. It's very similar to how I race the 500, kind of starting off a little lighter and then building legs into it, and then towards the end just giving it everything I have. And even if it's a little bit lighter like today, we're still going as hard as we can on those last 100. So I think it was really good. The transition was definitely kind of shocking. The practices are way faster paced. We finish a set, we start the next one like within that top, and today was a good kind of classic Monday night color set, and I've been kind of in the dumps, so just kind of had to get through it today.